Welcome to our guide on mindfulness techniques. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore various effective mindfulness practices to help you cultivate a mindful state of being. Mindfulness involves being present, fully aware, and non-judgmental of the present moment. It's a practice that helps us anchor ourselves in the now. Tip 1. Engage in mindful breathing exercises. Focus on your breath, inhaling and exhaling deeply, allowing yourself to find calmness and centering. Tip 2. Try a body scan meditation. Begin by focusing on each part of your body, noticing sensations without judgment, promoting relaxation and awareness. Tip 3. Engage in mindful observation. Pick an object and observe it closely, noticing its details, textures, and colors. Grounding yourself in the present moment. Tip 4. Practice loving kindness meditation. Send positive thoughts and wishes to yourself, loved ones, and even strangers, fostering compassion and empathy. Tip 5. Eat mindfully. Focus on the flavors, textures, and sensations while eating, savoring each bite and being present with your meal. Tip 6. Try mindful walking. Take slow, deliberate steps, paying attention to each movement and the sensations in your feet as they touch the ground. Tip 7. Infuse mindfulness into routine tasks. Whether it's cleaning, cooking, or driving, engage in these activities with complete awareness. Tip 8. Practice mindful communication. Listen actively, be fully present in conversations, and respond thoughtfully, fostering better connections. Tip 9. Engage in mindful resting. Allow yourself to relax without distractions, focusing on sensations and promoting relaxation in the body and mind. Tip 10. Use mindfulness for stress relief. Employ breathing exercises, meditation, or visualization to calm the mind during stressful situations. Tip 11. Practice mindful sleep habits. Wind down before bed, disconnect from screens. Engage in relaxation exercises to promote restful sleep. Remember that these practices offer a path to greater awareness and presence in your daily life. Incorporate these techniques into your routine and experience the transformative power of mindfulness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Stay tuned for more enlightening content.